Wagwan everybody, welcome back to Tamara Recipes. So today I'm gonna show you how to make this flavorful Jamaican rice and peas. No, it's not a very detailed video, but anyways you get all the important details, so stick around if you're interested. Now in the pressure cooker I have some water and I have my peas that is coming to a boil. Right, so I'm gonna add some water just to immerse the peas in the water. When I sink the peas cook evenly. Alright, so I have my dry coconut here. I'm gonna cut them in some small pieces and I'm gonna blend off camera. You can grate yours, but I chose to blend mine. Alright, now if you don't have dry coconut, go ahead and use some coconut powder. Just mix it with some warm water, or you can use the canned coconut milk. Alright, anyways, still gonna taste good. Alright, now my peas is fully pressured and I transferred it into the pot that I'm gonna prepare my rice in. Now I added some onion and all of them nice season there to pressure the peas. But guess what guys, more flavor, so because of that we're gonna add some more fresh seasoning. Okay, so I'm gonna use some scallion, some thyme, I'm gonna add some garlic, I'm gonna add some blended green seasoning to it, scotch bonnet pepper, more onion, ginger, everything, right? So all the ingredients will be listed in the description box. So I blended my coconut milk, so I'm gonna add it to the pot now. Alright, so as I said, all the ingredients, measurement and everything will be listed in the description box. So I added a little salt to pressure the peas. Now I'm adding some more salt. Alright, because if you cook your peas with some salt. Alright, so just give it a nice mix, let it come up to a boil, and then you let it boil for about 5 to 10 minutes just to, the added flavor. Now I'm gonna leave a link where I prepare my green season in the description box. So if you haven't heard about green seasoning, it's just a blend of natural seasoning. Alright, now I wash my rice. I'm using parboiled rice. You can use the rice of your choice, and you cook the amount of rice you want to cook. Alright, and make sure you add enough water because the ratio varies. Alright, so adding my rice after the coconut mixture with the peas and all of that, boil for about 10 minutes. Alright, because you want all of that flavor to mix. Alright, to come together. So give your rice a nice mix and ensure that you're gonna test the level of the rice, because I want to ensure that the water, the coconut mixture actually is like about 1 or 1.5 inches above the level of the rice, right? Because you want your rice to cook good, right? So if you like your rice to cook shelly, then you can add a little less water than I did, or liquid than I did, or if you want yours to be on the softer side, then add a little bit more. Right, now the rice fully cooked. As I said, it's not a detailed video, so I'm gonna leave all the details, all the links and everything in the description box, so remember to check it out.